Ever wonder what secrets your kitchen sponge is hiding? Brace yourself, because it's about to get gross. That innocent-looking scrubber, often sitting in your kitchen sink, is actually a breeding ground for bacteria, one of the dirtiest items in your home. In fact, studies show that your kitchen sponge can harbor more germs than your toilet seat. That's right, the very tool you rely on to keep your dishes clean could be working against you. Let's break it down. Your sponge's porous structure, with its tiny holes and grooves, is perfect for trapping food particles, soap residue, and moisture. All of these elements combine to create a microbial paradise. These bacteria thrive in this environment, multiplying rapidly. What's even more alarming is that certain types of bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella, can be present. These pathogens can lead to foodborne illnesses if they make their way to your dishes. But here's the kicker. Most people keep using the same sponge for weeks, even months. If you think about it, it's not hard to see why. It's easy to forget that the tool we use daily requires replacement. Instead of tossing it out after a week or two, many of us hold onto it longer, thinking the heat from dishwashing will sanitize it. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. The heat may not be enough to kill the germs lurking deep inside. Those bacteria are resilient and can survive many cycles in your dishwasher or microwave. So next time you're cleaning your dishes, remember, you might just be spreading a bacterial party all over your kitchenware. Imagine washing your plates with a sponge teeming with germs, yikes. The reality is that cross-contamination can happen quite easily. If you use the same sponge for wiping down counters and cleaning dishes, you're essentially transferring bacteria from one surface to another. Want to stay safe and keep your kitchen truly clean? The solution is simple: replace your sponge weekly. That may sound excessive, but considering what's at stake, it's a small price to pay for your health. If that feels like too frequent, at least try to keep the sponge for no more than a couple of weeks. Remember to store it in a dry place between uses, as moisture encourages bacterial growth. Even better, consider switching to alternatives like silicone scrubbers or dishcloths that can be sanitized more easily. Silicone scrubbers have a non-porous surface that doesn't trap food particles in the same way sponges do. Plus, they can be thrown in the dishwasher, making them easy to clean. And if you prefer dishcloths, frequently wash them in hot water and replace them regularly to maintain their cleanliness. Another tip: try soaking your sponge in a mixture of vinegar and water or microwaving it, if it contains no metal, for a minute to reduce some of the bacteria between replacements. However, keep in mind that this is only a temporary solution, not a replacement for regular swapping. Ultimately, a little extra care in the kitchen goes a long way. Being mindful about your sponge can prevent the spread of harmful germs and protect you and your loved ones from foodborne illnesses. By committing to regular sponge replacements or finding more hygienic alternatives, you can ensure your kitchen remains a safe and healthy environment for all your cooking and cleaning activities. So take a moment to check that kitchen sponge. It may be more harmful than you realize. Trust us, your stomach will thank you later.